In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependent form fields in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to show the right questions to the right people, keeping your forms shorter, smarter, and easier to complete. First, open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot site and log in to your account. If your workspace uses additional verification, complete that as usual so you land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and locate the Marketing section. From there, click Forms. This takes you to the list of forms you've already created so you can work with one you want to improve. Choose the form you want to work on and click Edit. Inside the form editor, find the field you want to make dependent and click its pencil icon to open its settings. Picking the right field here matters. You're editing the field that will display conditionally or that will be controlled by logic. In the left panel, look for the logic area and click it to open the configuration controls. Then click Add Logic. This is where we'll define the rule that controls when the field appears or how it behaves. Start with the If section. Use the drop-down to select the field and the condition that will trigger your rule. For example, if How can we help equals support, or if country is United States. Choose the option that matches your specific use case. If the option you need isn't in the list, you can add a new option right here, so your condition reflects the exact choice your visitors will make. Next, move to the Then portion. Use the two drop-downs to define what should happen when your condition is true. For instance, you might choose to show this field, hide it, or change whether it's required, and then specify which field is affected. Think of this as finishing the sentence. If a visitor selects X, then do Y to this field. Keep your logic focused and easy to understand so visitors only see what's relevant to them. When your rule looks good, click Save and Activate. This turns the logic on for the form so it's ready to use. A quick tip. After activating, preview or test the form in a private window to confirm your conditions work as expected and that the right fields appear based on different choices. That's it. You've set up dependent form fields in HubSpot, making your forms cleaner, more personalized, and more likely to convert.